Hey, it's Glenn from Digital Synergy, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube by ranking your videos high on Google and YouTube, so stay tuned. Okay, so if you're watching this video, you've probably already set up your YouTube channel, maybe made a couple of videos, or perhaps you're just starting out doing some research and you want to know exactly how you can make money on YouTube. Now, you should know there are tons of strategies on how to make money on YouTube. However, there is one thing that you absolutely need to have, regardless of what strategy you're using. Now, I'm sure you all heard that content is king. And although having quality content is extremely important for success with YouTube, that's not what I'm talking about. You can have the best content in the world, but if you don't have this one thing, then you're not going to make a single dime. So what am I talking about? Well, I'm simply talking about getting exposure to your videos. In other words, if you're not getting your videos seen, then you won't make a single penny, regardless of the monetization strategy that you're using. It's as simple as that. So whether you're trying to make money with views, with using the YouTube Partner Program, or whether you're selling your own products and services, or even if you're doing affiliate marketing selling other people's products, no matter which of those strategies you're using to make money on YouTube, you still need to get your videos seen. And the way that you do that is by simply getting traffic. Now, there are also lots of strategies for ways on how you can drive traffic to your videos, whether you're using social media to paid advertising. But today, I want to tell you about an amazing strategy that I discovered. It's from an underground marketer. His name is Paul Murphy, and he has actually cracked the code on getting your videos ranking on Google and YouTube. Now, what's great about this method is that this method leverages organic traffic. And just in case you're not familiar with the term organic, it's also known as natural listings. And this just refers to the listings that appear for free in YouTube or Google. So in other words, this means that you can actually get prime listings on the search engines, both Google and YouTube, and never have to pay a single penny for advertising. And I can tell you that this aspect is where most people fail when it comes to online marketing, because it's gotten extremely expensive and it's only getting worse in terms of money that's needed to advertise, whether you're using Facebook or Google or really any advertising platform right now. Now, this strategy totally eliminates that problem because, again, you're using free traffic. You're getting your videos in front of the viewers that are interested in your products or services, and it's absolutely free. So let me show you some of his live results that he's getting on Google and YouTube. But first, actually, I want to show you some screenshots of his recent revenue that he's generating, just so you can see the kind of money that he's making. It's really crazy. And the most amazing part is that he spent virtually no money on ads. I believe he did say he spent a little money on just doing some retargeting marketing or something like that, but as a percentage wise, it's probably less than 1% of the money that he's made. Anyway, so let me show you right now a screenshot. This is Paul, and this is a screenshot that he was showing basically on the money that he's made. Now, this is in 3 months, okay? So from 4/16 to 7/16 of 2020, okay? You can see the amount of money he's made is in excess of $604,000. Now, again, you can see here, these are the total sales that he's got plus any rebills. And sorry if you can't see, it's kind of fuzzy, but this does show the period, which is again 4/16 to 7/16, 2020. The number of sales and rebills is 894 sales, and in recurring, he's making 300. But the important thing to see here is the total number of revenue, and you can see the number of refunds and cancellations is not very many. Regardless, this is how much money he's made. So I wanted to show you that, and this is for a couple, I believe this is for a couple of products that he's using. Now I want to give you for totally another product that he's promoting. This is for a 1-month period, okay? And this is from 6/01 to 7/02, 2020, and he's made for this period in excess of $14,000, and that's from 89 signups and 58 sales. So so there's that. But let me show you now the actual listings that he's getting. And so here, we can type this into Google. This is One Funnel Away. If you're not familiar with this, is a famous um, promotion from Russell Brunson with ClickFunnels that he's doing. It's a challenge basically, and so you can promote anything you want. It could be somebody else's product, it could be your own product, whatever it is. It could be a service. You can get your product or your listing prominently displayed. Like so, for in this case, he is #1 here in what's known as the Google carousel. Okay, this is him, and he's showing up right there. First one. He's also, I believe, got a couple of other ones here. Here he is again. Let's see if there's any. Yeah, and he's pretty much dominating this whole carousel. And then inside of YouTube, we type in the same thing. Here he is again on the first page here again, and again. So okay, so that's that. Let's do another one, Demio trial. Again, he likes to promote software type of products. He does all kinds of products, but this is the one that he shares with us. He's I believe he's also in the health industry, so he's got a bunch of different industries that he does. But this is for a software again, and again he's dominating #1 here. Let's see if he's anywhere. No, that's the end of that. And then in YouTube, here he is. And again, I'm just refreshing the screen just so that you can see that this is live. Right here, he is #1. Let's keep moving. Webinar free trial. Let's see. Yep, this is him. And you also know, you can notice here too, this is from 2017. So these listings actually stick. Okay, this one's from 2017 as well. This is him, and this is him. This is him. These are 2018. This one's 2019. This one's 2017. And then in YouTube, ranking for the same keyword. Here he is. Here he is again. Here he is again. I just want to go through these really quickly. So Cartres and these are all software. Here he is prominently. Here he is again. And then also now I love this strategy. I've started using it myself. So I want to show you some. This is another one of his actually. #1 for Groove Pages versus ClickFunnels. Again, these are really popular terms that people are actually typing in. And here he is on YouTube. Okay, but I also wanted to show you, this is my listing here. So I'm starting to use this strategy, and I'm starting to show up here. So here I am, and then I want to show you some more of my listings. So this is another software, Groove Pages free trial. I'm showing up right here. Sometimes they show this carousel, the one I've been showing you, this carousel. Other times they'll show it like this, but I guess eventually it'll turn into a carousel. Once they have enough videos, then it actually turns into a carousel. So right now I'm showing up right there, and let's go into YouTube, and as you can see here, I am #2 showing up there. I'm actually over here as well. This is me, Digital Synergy, and let's see here for Groove Pages trial. This is me as well. Okay, Digital Synergy, this is me again. Okay, and let's see, I think that's it for that one. And let's see, Groove Pages lifetime pricing. Okay, this is me, #2. Okay, this is me again on this. This is me again. This is Paul. So I'm actually beating Paul on this key phrase. This is me again. So I'm totally dominating this space right now. And let's see, Groove Pages pricing. And this is me right here. This is Paul. This is me. This is me. This is me. This is me. So hopefully you're getting the idea here. Let's just do one more. And here's Paul. Okay, Groove Pages lifetime offer. Here I am. Here I am again. Here I am again. Here's Paul. And here I am again, here I am again. Now, I just started doing this. It's barely been maybe a month, a month that I've been doing this, and I'm already starting to see these great results. So, so there you have it. So if you want to access basically, to see how this is done, if you click on the link below, there's a free training that reveals this exact strategy. And all you need to do is click in the link in the description below, sign up, get the free training, and you'll be good to go. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notify bell so you can see more of my latest videos, where you can see more on how to make money with YouTube. So go ahead, click on the link below, sign up for your free training, and I will see you next time.